Good morning YouTube. Today we got 2009 Infiniti G37X, and today we're going to be performing our platinum package, which is our wash and wax plus the interior. And they not getting no shampoo, they just getting the interior clean. So I'm gonna give you the walk around and let you see what we dealing with today. Grease it. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do our pre-rinse. We're going to soak it down with the soap. We're going to clay it. Then we're going to decontaminate the paint. We use a clay mitt instead of a clay bar. Then after that, we're going to go ahead, dry it off, and we're going to go ahead and put the wax on before we start the inside, because today is supposed to be around 80 degrees or so. Sorry about the brightness. So we're going to get that out the way first before we go ahead and tackle the interior. So let's go ahead and move on to the cleaning process. I'm still in the process of cleaning, but this is what we have done so far. The door panels look a lot better, but take a look at these seats right here. And the top seat is clean. The bottom seat, that's how it looked before. The back seat was just like the bottom seat, and look at the difference. Finally got it all done. She looking real good. You remember these wheels, right? Check them out now. What you think of it?
Done the damn thing, the best in the business. I'm trying to tell you, man.
All right.
Get with them. And it smell good inside. I ain't never smelled it smell like that.
Matter of fact, let me show them the inside. Now, we ain't do no shampoo or anything like that, but as you can see, we definitely cleaned the seats. The dash. Everything's looking real good. Smelling real good. Show you the back. That stain right there won't come out. You waited too long to get that clean, and now it's stained permanently. I even polished up the chrome pipes. That's what you get included in it.